The Braun Series 9, designed with responsive intelligence. It adapts to the unique features of your face to deliver our best shave yet. Its 5 synchronized shaving elements with 2 specialized central trimmers efficiently tackle more hair in one stroke, whilst 10,000 vibrations create a cushion to gently glide across your skin. It's what makes the world's most efficient shaver exceptionally gentle. And for total control, a built-in precision trimmer takes care of the finishing touches. So whether you shave wet, dry, with gel or foam, the Series 9 will always deliver a flawless shave. Its LED display will then remind you to clean your Braun shaver under running water or with the Clean and Charge station. The world's most efficient shaver, exceptionally gentle. Braun, designed for what matters.
When it's time for a shave, I want ultimate shaving performance and skin comfort. After powering up my Braun shaver, I hold it at a 90-degree angle to my face. The Braun Series 9 has a fully flexible shaving system which adapts to every contour of my face. Even problem areas such as the chin, neck or jawline are easy to shave. The easy pop-up long hair trimmer gives me perfect precision on my sideburns. I can groom with foam or gel or during a refreshing shower. That's no problem with Braun Series 9. Ultimate performance for perfectly smooth skin. The best way to clean my shaver is with the Braun Clean and Charge station. Without one, I can clean my Braun shaver with a brush or under hot running water. I change the cutting system cassette about every 18 months. And change the cleaning center refill about once a month, or when the level indicator blinks red, to maintain 100% of my shaver's performance. The world's only 5-action alcohol-based clean and charge station. Full maintenance at the touch of a button. The intelligent Clean and Charge station charges for maximum battery power at all times. It automatically selects the cleaning program for optimal fluid consumption. The fluid stream removes hair stubble while the alcohol removes 99.999% of germs. Special lubricating agents leave the cutting parts in optimal condition. And lastly, a built-in fan for extra fast drying of your shaver head. So your shaver feels like new every day.
At Braun, we believe in the power of good design. We recognize that men are shaving more freely than ever, anytime and anywhere, which is why we designed the new Series 9 Pro, the world's most efficient and exceptionally gentle shaver, now even better, providing an efficient and gentle shave in every stroke. After 1, 3, or even 7 days without shaving. The new Pro Lift trimmer, part of the 5 synchronized shaving elements, has been completely redesigned. Using advanced 3D technology, we've achieved an exceptionally thin form to lift and cut more hair in every stroke. Titanium coating for its strength and durability. And to give ultimate control, we've reinvented the precision switch. It quickly locks the flexible head in position to catch even the last hair with ease. The new Series 9 Pro with Pro Lift trimmer and precision switch. Good design in every detail.
Braun, designed for what matters.